Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily turn the pre-autofocus on or off on the Sony ZV-1 II. So first, press on the menu button. Now here we have the AFMF, which is the autofocus or manual focus, and here we need to find it under the AFMF and the camera icon. So now here we can click it, and here we will have the focus mode. Now here, if you want to toggle it off, then simply go to manual focus and then adjust your settings here, or simply enable it back, and here you can still adjust those settings except for the set focus one. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.